Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you will fine. I am Sheikh Brothers. So today I am going to tell you how to catch sniper entry. First of all, I would like to show my today's trade. See, this is my today's entry. Price is 2522.86 sniper entry. So let's go for explain this. So see this level daily candle daily reject daily this candle rejected, so we will switch in h4 time frame. So see, here is break of structure. See, daily reject daily h4 breakout, it means storyline is bearish. So who is responsible of breaking this structure? So this one is a responsible, this lag. So we will draw here. Okay, first of all we will go in daily chart. We will see new resistance here. Then we will switch in lower time frame for catch for catching sniper entry. So we will move slide refinement. So see, here is a QML, because I will prefer QML. Mostly I will prefer QML because this is SL hunting break of structure. So you can see price touch QML level and boom. See, see this one. This is high, this is low, this is higher high, this is lower low. Price tap here, and I am expecting at least this one is my target. Okay, so this is my trade. Okay, friends, see you in next video. Okay, bye bye. Happy trading.